Hello, let's see how we can set up this bundle sections and all other features of this two-step order form. So at first, from section, we're going to unhide those bundle section. So here are those three sections. So make sure after editing or updating, you hide those sections. So, so let's start with this first section. So from here, all you need to do is make sure all those sections title are set to Smart Product Selector. So click on this section settings and click on Get CSS Info, then just add Smart Product Selector as title, and then you can just copy and add the Smart Product Selector to all of those other sections. So all your three sections title will be Smart Product Selector. So you can check on each of those sections and its title set to Smart Product Selector. Then, so first thing is, whenever you're going to create any new uh, bundle section on a new funnel or new sales page, you can just save those section and later you can use as it is. So inside this section, we have added two columns row, and for the first column, this title will be checkbox full column. So for this column, the title will be checkbox dash full dash column, and based on this title we have applied a CSS inside our custom CSS for design and other purpose. So inside this two column row, on the left column I have added a checkbox element. You can see, so if you want to add or if you want to create this section from scratch, uh, just click on this add new element and search for checkbox input. So sorry, it's a checkbox headline element. So from here you can see it's saying checkbox headline. So this is a checkbox headline element. You can just add your or update your text here, but make sure your checkbox headline element has a title, and this title will be based on this product. So this product saying buy three get three. So, as we have added three products in the uh, back uh, background of your product tab. So from here you can see, if you click on this product, so here we have added three products. So for each of those products, so as we are going to use three bundle sections, for this one I have added this will be product selector 3 bottle. So you need to add this title appropriately on other those checkbox headline element. So this for 3 bottle package, this title will be product selector 3 bottle. Just copy this and you can update later on. And on this one it will be product selector 2 bottle, product selector 2 bottle. Based on this title, our script is going to select this product and it will show in the two-step order form. So from here that will be product selector 1 bottle. Then inside this column we have for this column we have two inner column. So if you want to check those, we have separate name for those two inner column. So if you click on columns and if you scroll down, you'll see there is, for this one you can see smart product selector section. Then in two columns says checkbox column for from left, and right one will be shipping column. So you need to add those title properly. So if you click on this inner column, you can just update your title from get CSS info. So from the left, this one will be get a checkbox column, and on the right, that will be shipping column. So checkbox dash column, then shipping dash column. So if you check all other columns, you'll be able to see. So those are for this first column. So inside first two column row, you can see those checkbox column and shipping column. Then those column will be remain same. We are not going to add any title for those column. Just you can adjust your images for desktop and for mobile, just duplicating those, and you can adjust the size. Then those are just basic design based on your creativity or requirement. Then for this button element, this is a headline element. Actually, this is not any button. So we have added a headline element, then just added uh, CSS to just add a background color and hover effect for this headline element. And based on our script is going to change the inner HTML or text of this headline. So uh, if you want to create a new one, you can just add a new headline, and all you need to do is just change the headline title to choose button, CHOOSE, then BTN. Make sure if you want to delete, or if you want to remove this one, or you want to add new on a whenever you're going to design a new a bundle section on a new sales page, or a order page, make sure you just change the title to choose button. You can just or if you want, you can just update the text from here, just double clicking on it. So I'll show you how to change those color inside custom CSS. So that's it for the bundle section. So it will be better if you just create one section first, then just copy or duplicate, then change the section title, because you don't need to change those inner column title or those button title or headline title. If you just create a section first, then just copy and duplicate those for other bundle section. So that's it for bundle section. Then we are going to show you how you're going to change those color, and make sure a few things whenever you're going to add a section. We have used border color here for the section. We have used uh, full border 3 pixel size, and you can add or update your color here, and make sure there is no background color for your section. And for those uh, inner column or the full column, you don't for this column checkbox full column, we have added this background color here. So you can just change this color if you want. And in the preview mode or light mode, whenever you are going to select this bundle, this left checkbox column color will be changed inside CSS. So I'll show you how to change this color later on. So make sure uh, for the design part, whenever you're going to add on new use this on a new page or new, or if you're going to create any new bundle section from the scratch, make sure you just use this background color for this checkbox full column. So I mean for this enter column, and for this column, shipping column, and also the inner checkbox column. Let's see, from the column tab, you can check for checkbox column and shipping column. You can use those color from, we are using those color from the custom CSS. So from those inner column, checkbox column, we have not used any background color, and also same for shipping column. And for this shipping column, we have not used any background color as well. And make sure there is no top bottom and left right margin on both of these columns, checkbox column and inner shipping column. Then we're going to just hide those section. Now before hiding those section, let's say inside custom CSS, I have added all my custom CSS under order form Tarek, and those are actually for the two-step order form. Then if you scroll down, you can see the product template Tarek. Then below all of those CSS is for actually those bundle section. So from here you can see data title saying shipping column. All those CSS is for this shipping column, inner column. So here you can see background color. So for this shipping column, this uh, uh, this is not a blue, or whatever the color is. I'm not sure, I can say properly. So you can just change your background color hex code from here for this shipping column. And I have not used any padding here, so make sure you don't to change those padding, top padding, bottom, and margin top. So all you need to do is, if you want to change color, just change this background color from here. Then this is the same, because we are not going to change the shipping color whenever somebody selects the bundle. So here it says subscribe active. So when somebody is selecting this bundle, a class is being added to this bundle section that is subscribe active. And so whenever the subscribe active class is added on this shipping column, so if you want, you can add different color here, but I will use the same color, as we are not changing this shipping column background color. So if you want, you can add another color for this. So when somebody selects the bundle section, the shipping column background color will also change. Then this is for a checkbox column, this left inner column actually. So as it says data title checkbox column, you can change the background color here. And same for we have used here different color, because we are changing the entire background color and the border for uh, when somebody selects this bundle section. So this border color and background color for this checkbox column is changing. So we have used a different color where it says subscribe active. That means when somebody choose this bundle, so subscribe active class will be added into this uh, bundle section, and this new color will be added to this checkbox column. So you can add those color. So if you check on this demo, so here it says, so whenever we are going to so here you can see the green color. So that is a subscribe active color for this checkbox column. Then this is a CB headline, so you didn't change anything here. This is not for color. And that is the color for choose button. So right now it's set to yellow. So you can, if you want to change the yellow color of this choose button, this one, you can just add change the background color for here, where it says data title choose button yellow headline wrapper. So just change the background color here for the yellow. Then after selecting the bundle package, so let's say we're going to select this one. After changing the bundle package, selecting this one, you can see the color changes to green. So here where it says subscribe active data title choose button yellow headline wrapper, so here you can see the background color is green one. So if you want to change this one, just change this background color here. So just keep in mind, subscribe active stands for whenever you are going to select the bundle section, this new color will be added. And for the button choose button hover effect, here you can see, if we mouse over this to the button, it will be light blue or blue color. So you can change the hover color from here, background color for this choose button where it says data title choose button, then Huber. Make sure you don't need to change anything for checkbox full column row, then because we're not using any background color here. So and also for the border, so whenever we're going to apply this border, this 3px solid green color, so that will apply on the entire smart product selector section, this green border color. So here you can see where it says data title smart product selector, then subscribe active. That means when the bundle selection is selected, this new border color will replace the blue border color. So you can change this color from here as well. So that's all for the CS part. And then let's go through the functionality. So now we're going to hide those section. Then based on the functionality, our all those three uh, bundle section will be added below this headline where it says rapid absorption technology. So for my understanding purpose, I've just changed this headline title to logo because I've used my script to identify this title as logo. I can change this title to anything I like, but I've used it as a logo. Then so make sure whenever you're going to add this script or you are going to design a similar sales page or order page, if you want to add those bundle section anywhere, make sure you identify a target point. So I have like this one and just change the title to logo, then all those section will be under this headline or that uh, uh, image or whatever you named as logo. Then all those inner content inside this column, I've just changed those title to container elements, container dash elm. So this is how my script is going to identify all those container element, including all those text and images, and my script will hide everything that is that those title matches container element. Then it will hide those text and it will show the bundle section here. So here you can see whenever I'm going to click on this edit shipping details, it will show all those texts, and whenever you're going to submit after filling up the form, after submitting the form, it will hide all those text here and it will show this bundle section here. And also you can see those are changing, those money back guarantee and this image verified by Visa, because I have also those element here. I've just uh, hidden those are hidden elements. So right now you can see we have just this image and secure 256-bit encrypted this image are here for step 1, and all other elements are hidden. So if you click on manage elements, you can see from here, from the left column, you can see all those are container element. Those actually uh, and hidden one, those are hidden, those are in mobile only. So from here you can see, and those are step 2 elements. So I am actually showing those step 2 element on step 2 whenever we are going to submit the form from step 1. those are actually container element, and if we submit, those new elements are visible here. Those are actually step 2 element. Those are these step 2 element. So those are hidden here. I've just hide those element. So whenever we just submit the form, it shows this step 2 element. Then make sure you change those name to step 2 element and container for those left uh, column uh, contents. I've used those title as container element. So from here you can see, as I've already show you, those data title set to container dash elm, container elm, because this is how my script is going to identify those, and will hide those. Then those are also container element, and for step 2, those are step 2 element. So from here you can see those are step 2 element, this one, and inside this text. So whenever you will submit the form, those will be visible, and my script will hide those others, uh, image and text and others. So make sure if you want to add similar setup on another page, you follow the steps, or you can just make this page as a template and you can add it later on. Then for all other section and column, so this column will be hidden on step 2, and there will be another section, and this section right now it's hidden on step 1. So if you go back to step 1, you'll be able to, in this section, it's hidden here. So here is a section inside our page builder. So if you click on section manage, from here you can see that will be the step 2 header. So whenever you will submit the form, that will be the step 2 header. If you unhide this section, you'll be able to see. So I've used this section as step 2 header. So change the title to step 2 header. So my script will understand this step to show on step 2 of the form. So that will be step 2 header. Just hide this one. And this is the first section of this page, and that is step 1 header. So my script will hide this step 1 header, and it will show you step 2 header. So if you go back to here, if you go back to step 1, you will just see the step 2 header is gone, and now the step 1 header is visible. Then and this is also same for mobile. If you use separate section and column for mobile and desktop, make sure you name those properly. Then those are just, you can update those text for those step 1 and step 2 inside two-step order from settings. So from here you can see step 1, step 2 headline, or step 2 sub headline. If you hide the step 2 and show step 1, you can see the step 1 headline and sub headline here. So those are inside step 2 order from settings. Then and other parties. So if you click on submit, if we click on first step of the form, you can see this section. So that is another section that is called progress bar. I'll show you later on, but few other things are. So if you are on step 2, you'll see there all those other section are hidden for this page. So I have named all other section of this page as step 1. So if you click on those section title, you'll be able to see the title is step 1. So that means whenever you submit step 1, all those step 1 section will be hidden. So this says step 1, and all other section is step 1. So if you have a same section in mobile as well, so as you can see, this is a desktop version, a desktop one, and also it has same section for mobile. So make sure you change the title to desktop and mobile, both section. So all of the section will be step 1. So this is how, based on this title, section title, my script is going to identify those section. So, and it will hide those on step 2 of the order form. So name all those section to step 1 except this testimonial section. So just keep your testimonial section title as it is. So this is just section. If you click on this CF slick slider, or whatever you want, just change those uh, section title to as it is. So on the step 2, those review or testimonial section will be here, and all other section will be hidden. And for the progress bar, click on manage. I've just, so here is the hidden progress bar section. So if you click on this one here, you can see this is a custom coded progress bar section. So for this bird, so those are the custom HTML here. From here you can see, and also all those styling are inside this. So if you want to change those purple color, you can change those purple color from here, progress bar, where it says progress bar, then background, those are purple color. Then you're going to change the border right color, that is this one, purple border color. So that is progress bar border right. And you can change the gray color here where it says progress bar. And so this is the, so this is a progress bar last division background color, and this is the progress bar, I mean, sorry, this one is the gray color of this progress bar, this part. So, and this background color. So if you just best option is if you just know little bit of CSS, and just you can check how to check element, inspect element. If you just hover over mouse to those element, you'll be able to see those class name and color. You can, based on these, you can change color from here. So if you click on this, you can see the progress bar part. Then if you click on this one bar here, you can see the progress bar part background color. So after inspecting those, you can just easily change those color from this CSS here. Then for this part, a time is up part, you can just go inside this custom JavaScript and the HTML element, and if you want to change the timer, just add your timer here. So right now it's set to 5 minutes. You can change here where it says 10 countdown, then 5, then 0. Just change it to 6, 7, 8, or 10 minutes, whatever you want. And you can change the color here, uh, text color here for this one. Text card P, strong color red. So you can change the red color of this one from here where it says red. Then if you want to change anything, you can change color for this one, this animated bar where it is sellout risk high, current availability low. So for this section or this animated part, just click on this custom JavaScript element, and You can change those color for this as well. If you want to change the red color or the border color, so here you can see the mm, color says red for this animated blinking part. You can change the color here. So that's it. So just hide this one and save your page, and everything will be fine. So make sure you follow those steps. So, and now if you check my code here, so from here you can see the smart product selector. This is actually is going to it's being added after where it says data title logo. So this is the first one. Then progress bar is also adding after logo. Then testimonial step 2, that is actually based on the script, this testimonial part, that is actually this one. This part is being added below this step 2 form, that is here, data title to step order form. Then those are all those product selector checkbox headline element. So for adding the product into this all those bundle sections, so all you need to do is just click on this product, edit and copy this link address and paste it somewhere. So from here you can see where it says products, then a number, this is the product ID. Just copy this one and go back to your script, and for product selector where it says product 3 BTL 3 bottle, so inside this 3 bottle value paste your product ID here for 3 bottles. Then for 2 bottle same, just copy the product ID for this one and add it inside data title product selected 2 bottle, then value. Then for product for single bottle, use product ID here for single bottle, and that's it. And you don't need to worry about everything else. Just save your page and let's see how it looks like in preview mode. And if you face any issues whenever you are going to use a new page, or if you are going to create this form from scratch, just let me know. I'll be able to add any new instruction video or any, I can just jump in anytime to fix it. So here you can see everything looks like perfect. Just fill up the two-step order form and just click on this button, and you will see everything is working fine, and all other sections are hidden here. So that's it. If you just select this one, you'll be able to see this product selector is changing, and also the price is updating. So also if you want, you can add order bump here, order bump product, then this will also work, because right now we don't have any order bump product. So that's it. Let me know if you have any issues. Thank you.